Hello, I'm Masa from Tokyo, Japan. So thank you for watching my videos as always. So recently, some of my friends say like, "Hey Masa, I understand how to make the mass form verbs, and when I want to say I want to verb, like I want to eat, first I have to make the mass form verb from the dictionary form, like 食べる throw away る 食べ after that add たい so 私は食べたい but it sounds kind of cold so put です私は食べたいです Finally I can say I want to eat it takes huge time so I'll teach you how to practice to say it faster. Okay, enjoy this lesson. You know how to make the mass form verbs like 行く changes 行き and you know this phrase in Japanese. So 私は mass form verb たい I know these two rules, but I can't say I want to go in Japanese quickly because there are two things, so you need to do two of them in the same time. So I'll show you how to practice to say that. Okay, step 1. Please pick up verbs one by one from group 1, group 2, and group 3. Example, write, 書く eat, 食べる do, する and next, pick up some phrases in which mass form is used. Example, I verb past, 私は verb ました I want to verb, 私は verb たいです I didn't want to verb. 私は verb たくなかったです Okay, it's ready to practice. Step 2. Practice combining verbs and phrases like a puzzle. And now, you don't have to make mass form because this is just a practice that you memorize these phrases. Okay, example. Write. I didn't want to verb. 書く 私は verb たくなかったです Put 書く here. I didn't want to write. 私は書くたくなかったです So concentrate the phrase. I didn't want to verb in Japanese. 私は verb たくなかったです Next, do. I verb past. する私は verb ました So put する here. I do past. 私はするました Eat. I want to verb. 食べる私は verb たいです Put 食べる here. 私は食べるたいです If you could do this, you memorized these phrases. Okay, step 3. Make the mass form quickly. Do you remember the rules? Group 1, う becomes い Group 2, throw away る Group 3, 売る becomes い And just put it on those phrases. Example, I verb past. 私は verb ました What verb do you use? Okay, write 書く書き私は書きました。I didn't want a verb. 私は verb たくなかったです。What verb do you use? Eat 食べる食べ私は食べたくなかったです。Let's practice by combining each words and phrases. If you watched my videos, you already know some phrases. I hope the training will help you.